We moved out here in February of 2011. We spent 2 years trying to find a house in Washington County that we liked. They're few and far between on acreages.
When we walked in this one, we knew we were moving in.
Yeah, it was a house for us. It was our dream house. It was perfect.
Last Friday we had a EF3 tornado that actually started quite a ways away, but eventually came into Elkhorn. We're just doing our best to support our community and be there for the people that did lose their homes, because there were too many that did.
We were off work because Thursday night we put a dog to sleep. But I'm like, hey, you might want to get up, and he looked at the TV. He's like, it's gonna go around us. So yeah, I grabbed a couple things and we got our dogs in the basement. Yeah, and hunkered down. I thought we were gonna die. I mean, the sound.
And I was standing up watching the ceiling and watching the ceiling and floor separate from the foundation.
We're alive, but the house is gone. And that was my response to everybody.
Every client that I talked to in these neighborhoods were just so grateful that American Family reached out to them so quickly. I have never been more proud.
It's amazing to see how the agents have all come together in the communities, the volunteering, the people coming and cleaning up and cutting trees down.
We've never found the fridge. I've never seen my double ovens. We have no clue where they're at, but my dishwasher was here.
I think reassurance is one thing that we've really told our people too. I went door to door in my neighborhood that Friday night, house to house, reassuring people that they'll be taken care of and try to help them organize their lives and talk through the steps that they're going to have, because the average person doesn't have any idea what's happening.
This was catastrophic, and I needed all the help I could get. Getting it cleaned up is kind of the next big thing, and next steps. It's baby steps, but yeah. Everything is replaceable, and I can rebuild my house. Yeah. We're grateful for what American Family's doing for us right now. I can say that.
It's my honor to share this with you and to let you know that this is exactly why you've been doing business with American Family.
Yep.
Here's a couple of checks for you, and our hope is that gets you on the path to replacing this house and creating new memories in it.
Thank you. I appreciate it very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.